This is the syntax, and initially this can be divided into three parts. The first is the document class, then followed by the packages and by the framework. This is called the body of the LaTeX, or the body of the document. Starts with begin document and end document, and we'll have an intermediate environments, and we'll be seeing that in detail in the couple of lectures later on. And to begin with, the document class is the functional class, which is very important thing that is used to denote what type of class files are using. Class files are many. We'll be discussing that in detail in the next lecture, but as of now, we have plenty of class files. Say, for example, if you want to write a book, then you have to use a class file called book.cls. And in fact, we don't use the extension here. We just name the class file. For clarity, I just made it like the class files will be there in this location. This is an optional argument when which we denote what type of font, I mean what size of the font, for example, 11 point or 12 point or so on, and the type of paper, say for example an A4 paper or A5 paper and so on. Those arguments will be given here, and these are optionals because generally we will be describing those in the preamble, which is the comments that will be incorporating beneath the document class and above the begin class, begin document. So those are called preambles. So we can modify those things like in the preamble. But as of now, like this is an optional argument that should be put in. The next is very, very important thing is called packages. Packages or the additional tools or the additional capabilities that can enhance your particular document. For example, if you want to incorporate pictures, images, photographs, multimedias, then you should be incorporating a package called graphics, GRAPHICX. So we'll see that in the next lecture, but as of now, packages are very important. And the packages have the extension called style. I think it's STY, that stands for style, and when which we will be incorporating the names of the packages. Say for example, a graphic is a package, but generally we don't give .sty, but we just name the uh, particular package. For example, if you wanted to write your document in Times New Roman, then you should look into a package called Times. When you incorporate those in the preamble, like use package and within quote, within bracket, flower bracket Times, then all the documents, the output of the document will be in a Times New Roman. Otherwise, LaTeX will take its default font size and font shapes. Then it's begin document and end document. As I said, it's the body of the tech. I think this is the most important thing. So those are called preambles and the class files. And this is where you typeset your content. And in between that, you can even go for an environment. Say, for example, if you wanted to incorporate images, then you should be looking into an environment called figure. Begin figure, and within that you should incorporate the details of the figures, then followed by end figure. So this is very important. So I think that should be start and that should be an end. Many beginners will make a mistake in not finishing this particular environment. For example, they'll start begin table but they don't do end table, so that tech will throw a lot of errors. So I just advise you, so whenever you start begin, and you should finish it with end. But if you use TechMaker as your IDE, you will not have any problem in doing so because TechMaker will auto-complete it. So you will not make a mistake of forgetting that slash end command. So environments are many. Like if you wanted to make an equation, then you have to be start with begin equation and end equation. And if you want to make a table, it's begin table and end table. And if it's figure, it's begin figure and figure. And theorem, begin figure and end theorem, and so on. So there are a lot of environments available in LaTeX. So you have to optimally use the best appropriate environment for a particular requirement. And as I said, like begin document should also end document. So otherwise the document will not never gets completed. So it will throw a lot of error. So this is the basic syntax of LaTeX. So I've given a overview of how a LaTeX document is. This is applicable for creating a LaTeX, a report, LaTeX articles, LaTeX journals and conference proceedings, and it's for books, and it's for thesis, and it's for letter. and it's for many things like whatever you could probably do in latex. So this syntax is applicable for all the formats. And this completes the syntax, and we'll look into the different options available in here. Like for example, we'll be looking in detail the packages and how to use them and how to download them, and we'll be seeing the environments and different types of environments. How do we go and do it in incorporate in LaTeX document and so on in these subsequent lectures. Okay, so this completes this lecture, and have a great day. Thank you for listening.